everyone! Sesame products are suitable for various high-end and high-precision industries and provide customers with a good experience. Some examples are logistic systems, automation industry, packaging machinery, food and medical machinery, semiconductor industry, machine tool industry, printing press industry, and so on. For instance, we know that in the automation industry, AGV unmanned guided vehicles have the following requirements for reducers: high radial force, low starting torque, low noise, low temperature resistance, waterproof, and the other key points. Taking one of our large international logistics customers as an example, Sesame successfully helped them solve the following problems: the steering endurance of AGV, the problem of starting torque at low temperature, the problem of noise while moving. In the food and medical machinery industry, we have specially developed a food and medical grade planetary reducer to provide customers with features such as waterproof, dustproof, and rust-proof designs, and so on, for special dust-free production environments. For the machine tool industry, we have developed planetary gearheads with super high rigidity. Our customers who make gantry processing machines originally used planetary gearheads of international renowned brands, but due to the price and delivery considerations, they tried other alternatives. However, because the load inertia was too large, the rigidity was insufficient and the transmission positioning inaccurate. In the end, we offered them a solution that can provide higher torque, higher rigidity, and low backlash, which solved their problems and at the same time reduced costs. Look at this one. This is a PGHA Series Model 220, which is designed with super high rigidity. The specifications of PGHA 220 are identical to European and American products. However, it is designed with a better rigidity. That is, Sesame offers product orders of smaller quantities but with a larger variety. Customers from various types of industry sectors come to us with special demands, and their wishes can be satisfied. We offer a better price-performance ratio at a very competitive price. Our products and services grant you peace of mind. Besides, Sesame's other advantage is our abundant knowledge and know-how, which can help customers find the optimized products within a short period of time. Compared with other international brands, Sesame's reducers are designed with several exclusive features. 1. Compared with similar models, Sesame's model is designed with 15 to 20% higher torque forces. 2. Under identical backlash conditions, Sesame's prices are much more reasonable. 3. Compared with similar products, Sesame's noise level is 5 to 10 decibels lower. 4. The radial force of Sesame's products is 15 to 20% higher than that of competitors' products. 5. All of the critical components are 100% made in Taiwan.